Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take in-depth look on AcuRite 06101 Wi-Fi color display. About this product. Wi-Fi connectivity. Color display. Weather sensors. Weather forecast. Indoor or outdoor readings. Alerts and notifications. Setup and use. Historical data. Packaged contents. Display with tabletop stand. Power adapter. Quick setup guide. Front display. Back display. Setup. Display setup. Install or replace backup batteries, recommended for backup. Plug-in power adapter. Battery safety. Clean the battery contacts and also those of the device prior to battery installation. Remove batteries from equipment which is not to be used for extended period of time. Follow the polarity, +/ diagram in the battery compartment. Promptly remove dead batteries from the device. Dispose of used batteries properly. Only batteries of the same or equivalent type as recommended are to be used. Do not incinerate used batteries. Do not dispose of batteries in fire, as batteries may explode or leak. Do not mix old and new batteries or types of batteries, alkaline/standard. Do not use rechargeable batteries. Do not recharge non-rechargeable batteries. Not short-circuit the supply terminals. Settings. Set the time, date, and units. Display backlight settings. Note. Placement. Placement for maximum accuracy. Device placement. Outdoor device placement. Important placement guidelines. Setup is complete. Wi-Fi setup. Wi-Fi setup for remote monitoring. Setup requires before you begin. Connect to display Wi-Fi. Operation. Using the professional weather display. Learning mode. Weather forecast. Moon phase. Barometric pressure. High and low records. Care and maintenance. Display care. Calibration. Features. Troubleshooting. Specifications. Warnings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.